video we are going to learn how to do Shunya Mudra. And to do Shunya Mudra, you basically place your middle finger on the base of your thumb and wrap your thumb across. The benefits of this mudra is that it resolves any numbness in the body, any kind of pain in the body. If you do it for 15 minutes every day, you will avoid almost every disease is possible. If you have ear problem or if you have balance issue, vertigo, then this will help you resolve it. If you are feeling unconscious in some way, this will help you resolve and get consciousness back really fast. It also cures deafness, and it has been shown to cure deafness in some people, but you have to practice this for extended amount of time, 30 to 40 minutes, even more sometimes. This is also helpful in sinus issues, and if you are feeling a ringing sensation in your ear, either ear, this is helpful for that. This will help bring back the necessary sound quality in the ear. Make sure you are just practicing it on the opposite hand of where you are feeling most issue in your ears.